Step number 1, copy this link. Step number 2, paste it directly over here and click on shorten. Step number 3, get 1,000 people to your Clickbank offer. Step 4, get results like this. In this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step that you must do, and I'm going to give you tons of free websites and most importantly, how to promote a Clickbank product successfully. And make sure to watch until the end of this video because I'm going to show you how you can completely automate Clickbank sales with this and earn passively on Clickbank without having a website. The reason I'm making this video is to document my journey on how I made money on Clickbank with free traffic passively and without having my own website, to give you insight into how I did this so that hopefully you can make money online too with the same strategy. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on how I make money online, build landing pages, dropshipping stores, affiliate marketing businesses, drop servicing landing pages, and hopefully soon to be trading as well. So if you want to follow my journey on how I make money online, make sure you subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. Also, make sure to leave a like on this video. I really appreciate your positive support and comments down below. It pumps me up to bring out more epic content for you on the daily. Today, I want you to comment down below your funniest joke that you have, because in tomorrow's video, I'm going to choose a joke that I think's the funniest, and I'm going to give you $30 to your PayPal account or your Bitcoin wallet if you don't have PayPal. So make sure to go down below, comment down below your jokes, and let's see who has the funniest joke. Without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to get straight into my PC. On the screen over here, you want to come over to clickbank.com. You're going to want to sign up a brand new account. On the top right, click on sign up. It will ask you for your country, first name, last name, phone number, email address, and your password. Just make sure to check the terms and conditions. You can join Clickbank over here. Once you've signed up into your new Clickbank account, it's going to take you to your dashboard like this, where you can see on the left over here, tons of different categories with listed products that you can go and promote and make commissions from. My favorite is e-business and marketing, computers and internet, business and investing, health and fitness, and spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs products. And the category we're going to go and choose is health and fitness. Click on health and fitness products over here. All you want to do is click on sort results and select gravity. The reason why we're selecting gravity is because these are the products that are doing the best, getting the most sales and getting the highest reviews. So these products are obviously proven to work. So that means we can go and replicate their success. Over here, you've got quite a popular product I've seen before, the Okanama Belly Fat Tonic. You've got the Denatox Unique Dental Spray offer. One of my favorite products that I've made a lot of money off of, the Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, the 21-day rapid weight loss program, which is actually the product that I showed you in the beginning of this video that I've been getting a lot of my results from. Why I like this, it's because it's new, people love smoothies, it's not that expensive, and people like to lose weight fast. This is a rapid weight loss program, so I see a lot of success in this tool. I myself, that's into fitness and exercising as well, I also love my shakes and smoothies, so this is a product that I personally like as well, which is why if I like it, there will be lots of other people that will like it as well. This is just another reason why I've chosen to promote this product. Here where it says initial dollar conversion, you are going to get a commission of $28.78 every single sale that you make. So what we're going to go and do is we're going to go and click on the landing page of this product in a new tab. This is what the landing page looks like, and boom, already you have a massive sign or offer that's in your face. Get $10 off, limited time offer. These kind of options or offers over here convert a lot of traffic into sales. Over here, we've got some real people with real results. Daniela lost 8 pounds in 1 week. Sarah dropped 3 pounds in 3 days. Jade kicked 12 pounds in 21 days. So you can see people are losing weight fast. When people see these kind of results and that other people are getting a lot of success from this, most people that have the goal of losing weight will want to try this product because it's working. They then show you everything you get. You've got the Smoothie Diet 21-day program, so you're getting the full 21 weight loss and health improvement program, over 36 delicious fat melting meal replacement smoothie recipes, shopping list for each week, smoothie making tips and the prep guide. You've got an extra bonus, the day 3 smoothie detox, a quick start guide, and if I scroll down some more, a whole bunch of questions. And over here, finally, the product ending soon at just $37. $25. So with the landing page this good, this is something that will convert a lot of traffic into sales, which just means more maximizing conversions and commissions for you as an affiliate for this product. You'll see if I click on get the $10 off, it's going to take me to the direct checkout page where it will automatically be converted to my currency. So 592 Rand is plus minus $37 as promised. Over here, your lead will click on pay now. And once your lead clicks on pay now, this is where your Clickbank account will start to pile up with commissions. So this leads us to the next step to come back to our 21-day rapid weight loss smoothie program. All we need to do is click on promote. Over here, there will be a big orange button. You need to enter your account nickname, click on generate hop links, and over here is your unique encrypted hop link that your leads need to click on in order to take them to the landing page, where from there they check out with that smoothie product, which is connected to your account. Every time you make a sale, you get $27.80 commission straight to your account. So copy your affiliate link, come over to this URL shortener over here, paste your long hop link, click on shorten over here, and it will generate a much shorter and neatened link over here. So copy this bit.ly link, paste this in a new tab. You'll see if I click on enter, it will take me to this landing page that is connected to my affiliate link. You'll see over here, there is my username. So this landing page has been created for me to make sales and get commissions off of. The next step is come over to youtube.com. Now, before you click off this video, no, we're not going to go repost other people's content. We're not going to be recording our own face or voice. You don't even need a camera to go and use YouTube to make money with Clickbank without a website. Just make sure to keep watching because this is going to make sense and this is going to be something really new that you probably haven't seen before. Come over to the search bar and type in the following: hashtag shorts, click on space, put a plus sign, click on space again, and you want to select weight loss. The reason why we're going to go over to the shorts category is because we're not going to use YouTube to make revenue. We're going to use the power and virality of YouTube Shorts right now to blow up our Clickbank affiliate offers and get hundreds of dollars every single day. And take a look at some of these videos over here. This video over here is of a doctor that reacts to viral TikTok weight loss dance and got 2.7 million views in just 3 weeks. He only has 230k subscribers. So this proves to get 2.7 million views in 3 weeks. That is crazy, crazy virality. Here is another best weight loss glow ups that got 4.9 mil views in 8 months, and this channel only has 12k subscribers. So again, this proves these short 30-second to 1-minute videos go viral on YouTube Shorts. So we can go and utilize that to blow up our Clickbank offers. But there's a specific way that you need to go about this. This is where I'm going to show you how to build your perfect YouTube Short to get tons of traffic to your Clickbank offer and get sales every single day. So over here, I found 2 YouTube channels named Health Fit Hindi and Obesity's Weight Loss Motivation over here that are utilizing YouTube Shorts to blow up and get hundreds of thousands of views every single day. Take a look at this page over here. 5 days ago, they posted lower body workouts for women. It's only 7 seconds long and it literally just shows a picture for 7 seconds. Got over 131,000 views. Over here, they posted another weight loss and fit body challenge for women and got 193k views, and it's just a picture that shows for 10 seconds. Over here, they posted another weight loss exercises at home 1 month ago with a picture that shows for 10 seconds and got 1.7 million views. As you can see over here, it's just a picture that shows them how many sets and reps they need to do in each set and what exercise to do. But if I scroll down, take a look at this. They are missing out on a lot of potential revenue from this. They could easily be putting a Clickbank link in the description of their videos, and with 100,000 views in just a couple of days, this could be thousands of dollars in Clickbank revenue sales. The next step is you want to come over to Pixels and you want to get 2 or 3 or 4 stock photos that have no copyright issues of weight loss pictures. So let's go and go search here on the search bar, weight loss, click on the search bar. And we want to go and download a couple of these photos. Let's click on the one with this apple over here and this measure tape, and it will download directly to your PC. Come back and we want to go get maybe this photo over here of this person doing hula hoop. Click on free download. It'll download to your PC again, and we need one more photo. We can maybe use this photo over here of a handshake. We can click on free download again, and these 3 photos will be perfect for this. Once these stock photos have been downloaded to our PC, we want to come over to Google and we want to go and search top 3 weight loss tips. Click on enter, and over here we can open up 26 weight loss tips that are actually evidence-based in a new tab, which will look like this, and we can use these first 3 tips over here. So we want to keep this open in a new tab, and we want to come over to canva.com. On the right over here, you will see there's an option that says mobile video. Click on mobile video. It will then open up a brand new template in the 1080 x 1920 resolution, which is the resolution required for a YouTube short. We want to click on one of these templates over here. So for example, we can actually go and choose this template with this shake over here, and you will see there's 3 slides. Just click on apply all 3 slides. And for the first slide, we want to go and change the text, number 1, and go and paste your drink water, especially before meals. Come back here and paste this here. Just maybe stretch this out a bit and move this more to the left. Come to slide number 2, double tap on your text and put number 2, eat eggs for breakfast. So let's go 2, eat eggs for breakfast. And for the third slide, we can just go and copy this text over here. Let's just delete this, put this above there, and copy number 3, which is drink coffee, preferably black. And let's just go and type number 3 and paste this over here. We can actually make this a little bit bigger by increasing the size. And let's just put this maybe towards the center. And now all you want to do is you want to click on elements on the left. You want to use the square over here and just put this at the bottom like this. So it covers a little bit of the bottom. We want to go and make this color white. We want to click on add text over here. We can just go add a subheading, drag the subheading to the section that says white. And over here, we want to type in the Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. Let's just make this a little bit bigger and put here link in description. And we want to go and add this to each and every slide and just go and copy your text, paste that here and move this to the bottom. Same thing here, paste it over here and move this to the bottom. Now take a look at this. If I play this, this is what it looks like. All we need to go and do is maybe replace the pictures of our background. So we're going to go click on uploads, upload media, click on device and upload the 3 pictures that we downloaded off pexels.com. So we can go and use our first picture over here, just drag it to the top and put it towards the center, click on position and select backwards. For slide number 2, we can go and delete this milkshake and we can go and put this image over here of this person doing hula hoop, just stretch it out like that, click on position and select backwards. For the third and final slide, we can go and use this weight loss picture over here, delete this shake and stretch this out, put it towards the center and select backwards on the position. The next step is we need to go and add a background song that fits this video. So we can come over to the YouTube audio library. We can go and use this first song over here, Dance and Electronic. Just click on download and it will download to your PC. Come back to Canva, click on audio and click on upload media, click on device and upload the song that we've just downloaded. Select the song that you've just uploaded to Canva. Once that's done, we can click on the download on the top right and download this video to your PC as an MP4 video. Once this video is downloaded to your PC, come over to your YouTube channel, click on create on the top right and click on upload videos. Click on select files and upload the video that you've just created on canva.com. Firstly, for our title, we want to type top 3 weight loss of 2021 with smoothie recipe bonus #shorts. For the description, you can come back to Clickbank, copy the title of your 21-day rapid weight loss program, paste this over here, click on enter, come back to bit.ly, copy your shortened URL, and paste this over here. Once this is done, you don't need to go and edit your own thumbnail. You can use one of the thumbnails that YouTube suggests to you, and it's as easy as that. You can then go and post this on your YouTube channel. I recommend go and post once to twice a day. If one of these videos blow up to 50, 100k views, not only it blows up your whole channel, but it blows up all your other videos as well. So let's calculate this. If we upload 30 videos in 30 days, and we get 10 views per video in 30 days on 30 videos. So let's go 10 times 30 that is now 300 views a day. Let's say if 2 people convert out of these 300 people, so that's now 2, multiplied by the 28.78 commissions, multiplied by 28.78, that's now $57 a day you can make on 30 videos getting 10 views a day. If one blows up to 50k views and gets 150 sales, so let's go 150 multiplied by 27.80, that's over $4,000 that you can make off a viral video from people buying your smoothie product. So as you can see, with this kind of thing, it's not going to happen overnight. This requires consistency and volume, but it is a very powerful strategy to get a lot of traffic and the right audience to your Clickbank product. Firstly, because since your videos are about weight loss and smoothies, people that are interested in weight loss and smoothies are only going to click on your video. You're not going to have people that are interested in pets click on your weight loss video. So that means that audience is already an audience looking for your kind of product, looking for the goal to lose weight, which means they are interested in your product, which means they will buy your product. But what I'll do is, if you want an entire playlist or free course here on YouTube on how to grow your YouTube channel and maximize your earnings, you can click on this playlist on the screen over here. It will take you to my playlist of all my videos that I've compiled together that show you how to create and build a successful YouTube business. So make sure to click on this playlist over here. It will really help you out, and I'll see you over there.